We'll guide you through how to make Bitmoji video on Snapchat. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Snapchat Bitmoji videos are popular for creating fun, personalized content for stories, chats, and social media posts. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and log into your account before starting the process. Make sure your Bitmoji avatar is already linked to your Snapchat profile so the animation features will work correctly. From the main Snapchat camera screen, check that either the front or back camera is functioning properly for recording. Next, tap the search icon or sticker icon located on the right side of the screen. Type Bitmoji into the search bar to explore available Bitmoji animations and video options. Scroll through the different animations until you find one that matches the mood, action, or style you want for your video. Tap the Bitmoji animation once to place it onto the camera screen. Use your fingers to resize or move the Bitmoji until it appears in the correct position. Press and hold the record button to begin recording your Snapchat Bitmoji video. If you are using the Bitmoji face swap filter animation, move your phone slowly and carefully while recording to create a more natural effect. If you choose a normal Bitmoji animation instead, continue holding the record button until the specific animation section you want is fully captured. Release the record button when you finish recording the video clip. Preview the video carefully to check the Bitmoji animation, sound quality, and camera movement. If desired, tap the music icon to add background music to the video. You can also use Snapchat editing tools to include text, filters, or additional visual effects. Trim the video if necessary to make it shorter and cleaner. Finally, tap the Save button to download the Bitmoji video to your phone gallery. Then press this Send to button to share it with friends or post it to your stories before exiting the editing screen. Before sharing the video, watch the clip one more time to confirm that the Bitmoji stays in the correct position throughout the recording. Make sure the lighting is clear, the sound is not distorted, and the animation plays smoothly without interruptions. If something looks wrong, repeat the recording steps until you are completely satisfied with the result.